Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the top contenders in the world of portable generators, the Cummins Onan P4500I. Whether you're prepping for camping, tackling home projects, or needing backup power, this might just be your perfect match. Let's explore why. At the heart of the Cummins Onan P4500I is a robust 7.3 HP 224cc OHV 4-stroke engine, designed to deliver reliable power where you need it most. With a maximum output of 4,500 watts and a 120 volts AC voltage, this generator ensures you can run everything from power tools to sensitive electronics safely. The P4500I is built with user convenience in mind. Starting up is a breeze with its push-button start or traditional pull-cord backup. For RV enthusiasts, it offers a 30 ATT30R outlet, alongside dual 5 volts USB ports for charging your mobile devices, a thoughtful touch for modern camping trips. In terms of performance, this generator doesn't disappoint. It's capable of parallel operation with another P4500I unit, doubling your power output to 50 Ah, significant advantage for those needing extra wattage. Its efficiency makes it ideal for extended use during outages or long camping stays. Durability-wise, Cummins doesn't cut corners. The P4500I is crafted to handle the rigors of outdoor use, with a build quality that reflects its reliability. It's more than just a power source, it's a long-term investment in your energy needs. To wrap it up, the Cummins Onan P4500I stands out as a top-tier portable inverter generator. Whether you're after dependable backup power or a companion for your outdoor adventures, its blend of power, portability, and user-friendly features makes it a standout choice in its category. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product critiques like this one. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Have you used the P4500I or are you considering it? Until next time, this has been Product Critique, helping you make informed decisions on your next purchase.